everybody, so now's the fun part. We get to construct the despacho. So as you can see here, I've laid out several different ingredients, and each ingredient represents something different. The overall intention is, again, to offer a prayer or offer a blessing. So for example, we have rice here that symbolizes abundance and fertility. Then we have this shell, which holds the intention of the despacho or the prayer bundle, with a figure of the masculine and feminine to represent balance. We have a lot of candy and sweetness, which represents bringing harmony and balance into all areas of our life, to relationship, to just everywhere in our life. Then we have raisins that represent our ancestors, and we have some herbs for protection. We also have some rainbow yarn that represents the connection of the unseen world, the spirit world, and our reality. We have things like confetti, which is again about celebration. And then of course, we always like to put in money to represent success and abundance in all areas of our life. We have over here some silver and gold little flutes that represent music. We have animal crackers that represent the animal world. Again, beans that represent fertility and sustenance, and corn. So there's a lot of cool things to add in. And you can see here, there's also sugar. So sugar represents the sweetness. So you can make it personal. Today I'm using dried rose petals and buds instead of bay leaves to make individual prayers. So I will be inviting people to put their individual prayers into the despacho. So people that are currently here at the sanctuary today. So overall intention for this despacho is to be able to continue to be a business that provides sanctuary for body, mind, and spirit. So opening up to our staff and to whatever clients are here today to put in their intention as well, because we're all in this together. So when we're complete with the despacho, we have a couple of ways that we can manage it. We can burn it, which is usually the fastest transformation. We can put it in a body of water and allow it to disintegrate, or we can bury it. So today we will be burning it. So when it's complete, I will be taking all of these elements and placing them on here and then folding it up, and then you will see a final image of the complete despacho. And if you want more information, you can visit our blog. That'll be in the post. So thanks for watching.